if you're like everyone on the trip who's wondering how we all ended up from the airport on a bus to Benin, well, watch the rest of this video so you can find out like all of us. Where we met Rod?
We are at Good Beach.
Good Beach,
Okay.
Good Beach, Lagos. Listen,
Yes.
it's a really good vibe. Actually, I like what I see so far. We haven't had any drinks or anything so far, but I think this is definitely something to add to your list when you come to Lagos, Nigeria. So add Good Beach, Lagos to your list. Good Beach. Look here. People are taking their pictures. Miss Netherlands. Everybody's here. It's a good night.
Everybody. Hey.
Honestly, I've never been to a beach like the Good Beach. It was honestly a vibe. You could get anything you want. There's suya, the beach setting itself. There were games on the beach. There was just a lot to do here. And that's why I think I particularly, and we all enjoy the Good Beach.
Go, sir.
Huh? Okay, let me get two.
So I was determined to get suya because I hadn't gotten suya when I had gone to cafeteria. So this night I made sure I got suya, and I was the one who introduced the team to the suya on the beach, and it was delicious. So it's suya time. Suya. On the beach.
There's no such thing as that one.
What's that? Listen, what did we learn from this, ladies? Drink enough water. Drink water. Stay hydrated.
Start at 3 p.m. We
And
started
earlier,
out
right?
by 8.
Oh, struggling. She's struggling. she's done for the night.
Story time. So we had partied the night before. We were at the Good Beach, and we knew we were all going to get up early to head to the airport to catch our Arik air flight to Benin, which was supposed to take us at about an hour. We get to the airport, and guess what? We heard the flight is canceled. So Mike and Osasu and their family had to rebook, actually minivans, as you're seeing. Minivans that we drove in from Lagos to Benin. It was supposed to be a 4-hour ride, but that ride took us close to 7 or 8 hours because there was a traffic jam 20 minutes away from our hotel. Wow. All right, so Binky, come on in. My camera is on rest, so I'll use my phone. Oh, look at that, yes. So we obviously tell them this is the store. Mike,
Yes.
what's up?
So we just came and we stopped to stretch our legs, you know, and maybe get something, use the restroom. Yeah, so that's what this one has been fine.
Exactly. So it's a 4-hour. Well, I think we've been on the road since 1, and so we should probably be in Benin now at about 5 o'clock. So they told us not to eat anything here, so I'm not gonna get anything to eat. So the advice of not to eat anything, particularly on the road, was to basically keep us safe, probably from maybe stomach viruses that could particularly happen. But we ultimately did eat some fruits. But you know, our guy Shion.
So this is Ore, where we have 3 tribes in Nigeria. We have the Yoruba, we have the Hausa, and we have the Igbo. So this is where the Yoruba land stops.
Oh, Yoruba land stops here?
Yeah, so we then cross over to
and then so where we're going to now is
Igbo land.
Igbo land. Oh,
Yes.
I'm going to my people. Oh. Oh boy. I don't. Well, that's a suya. No, it's okay. Okay. Thank you.
If it's not like not, okay, bye. Do you have a
Any-
stop that was right now?
No rice salsa. Oh no.
No, they're not gonna let us in the plane with it. We need it to be right. I want the salsa.
But they have mango roll. So we just bought salsa at the market.
Oh, sorry.
We bought salsa at the market. We're asking to check to make sure these are good. I've never had those. Salsa.
No, we
No, the salsa was good too.
I'm sure you've heard that in Nigeria there are often speed checks or safety checks. Well, this is one of them. We're entering one of the checkpoints that is guarded usually by police, and there are usually barriers or different things on the road that blocks the road. Can we talk about this storm that literally came from nowhere? Like there were lightning in the sky, there was thunder, there was so much happening on this road. It was a lot. And so we finally made it to Benin City, Nigeria. Not in the 4 hours that we expected, but in about 7 hours. I think we arrived about 7 p.m. But before the festivities begin, here is a room tour. on the next episode where we get into the traditional wedding. But before you go, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, deuces.